There are two types of comments in Haskell. The first is line comments. Line comments start with two consecutive dashes. Any text after the double dashes up to the end of the line count as a comment and will be ignored by the compiler. The second type is known as nested comments, or sometimes block comments. These comments start with an open curly brace and dash, and end with a dash and close curly brace. Any text within the comment will be ignored by the compiler. Sometimes certain additional markings after the start of a comment indicate a comment with a specific purpose. For example, a special type of block comment is known as a compiler pragma. These are additional hints given to the compiler. You can see here that the pragma is contained within a special type of nested comment where we add a hash symbol to the open and close of the comment. This particular pragma indicates that we want the compiler to treat this file as per the Haskell 2010 language standard and not any other one. Some pragmas must be placed in a specific place in the file. For example, language pragmas, like the one we have here, must be placed at the top of the file before any code. Other pragmas may not have this restriction and can be placed in different places within the file. Another type of comment you will see is used for documentation purposes. In this case, after a double dash, there is a space and then a pipe, after which there is a description. This type of comment is intended to be used by documentation generation tools as the main text to describe the function. Don't worry if you don't understand the function definition syntax of Square here. We haven't covered defining functions yet. I'm just showing this example to you so you can see the comment style. There are some other comment styles you can use for documentation too. You can see them if you follow the link shown here. And that's it for comments right now. We will mostly just be using line comments and sometimes block comments in the course, but I've covered the other types just for completeness. This video is a clip from a longer video for beginners starting with Haskell. Check that out if you would like to see all of the content. Also check out the entire Introduction to Functional Programming with Haskell course on the Learn channel. See you next time.